Hi everyone, welcome to Recipe Fever Vlogs. Today I'm going to make my favorite recipe Inji Puli, which was inspired from my mom. Inji means ginger and Puli means tamarind. It is also known by the name Inji curry. So let's start making the recipe. First, roughly chop the 250 gram of ginger, 200 gram of shallots, and 20 gram of garlic into thin slices. Soak a lemon-sized tamarind in 1.5 cup of water. Now, switch on the stove and keep a non-stick pan. Add enough coconut oil for frying. Once the oil becomes hot, add half of the chopped ginger and fry them on a low flame until it becomes golden brown and crispy. Drain the oil from it and keep it aside. Similarly, fry the remaining ginger. Next, add the chopped garlic and fry them on a low flame until it turns to a light brown. Take it from the oil and keep it aside. Add half of the chopped shallots and fry them on a low flame until it becomes brown and crispy. Similarly, fry the remaining half and then switch off the stove. Frying these in small batches ensures that everything is fried evenly. Once they come to a room temperature, add it to a mixie jar. Add enough water and grind all these to a fine paste. Now, squeeze the tamarind and strain the water from it. Switch on the stove and place the same non-stick pan with 1 tablespoon of coconut oil that we used for frying. Once the oil becomes hot, add 2 teaspoons red chilli powder to it. Saute them for 2 minutes on a low flame. Also, add a pinch of turmeric powder and mix it well. Now, add the ground paste and 1 cup of tamarind water. Mix all these well. Also add 1.5 cups of water and mix it. Along with it, add 50 grams of jaggery, 2 teaspoons of salt and 1/4 teaspoon asafoetida powder. Mix everything well. Now, increase the flame and let it boil for 3 minutes. After that, remove it from the stove and keep it aside. For tempering the curry, place a small non-stick kadai. Add 1.5 tablespoon of coconut oil and once it becomes hot, add 2 to 3 teaspoons of mustard seeds. Let all the mustard seeds splutter. Then, add 1 Kashmiri red chilli that is broken into pieces and a bunch of curry leaves. Stir it once and then switch off the flame. Add this tempering to the curry. The delicious Inji Puli is ready to be served. You can use this Inji Puli as a side dish for rice, idli, dosa and upma. Also, you can store them in fridge for up to 1 week. Heat it up as needed and use it as per your choice. Do try this delicious recipe. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon and press all to get instant notifications on new recipes. Hit the like button and share my videos to your loved ones. For more details and tips on the recipe, see the description box below. Visit my official website to get the full recipe. Also, share your suggestions and feedback in the comment section with me. Thank you for spending your precious time watching my video. Have a nice day.